I'm here just to take you down to memory lane. In the month of February, ladies like to be gifted because they say it's Lovers Month and they always look forward to that special gift from that special someone. So, growing up in high school, I know that every young girl, most of the young ladies, they have their little book with love verses. So I'm gonna ask you, what was your favorite love verse from your favorite love book from high school?
Roses are red, violets are blue. Honey sweet, but not like you. That's a good one.
Cabrina, what was your favorite love verse? Oh yeah? Well, I'll tell you mine. My love for you will break a bulldog's chain.
You're strong.
I have another one for you. This is a Jamaican one. You're the ackee in my saltfish.
Well.
Yes, the condensed milk in my tea.
Yes.
The patty in my cocoa bread.
Yes.
Without you, there is no me. Just like coconut water, you're good for my heart.
Mercy.
And Mr. Ray, without his nephew, it's like when we are apart. When you wrap your arms around me like banana leaf and blue draws, there is nothing I wouldn't do for you. You know that I am all yours. I want to be with you always, like when tin milks get short and they married with the mackerel, so that the mackerel can be bought. Like carrot juice on Sunday, mango in the summertime. I can't get enough of you. Please tell me, will you be mine?
Mercy.